A video of a magnetic lock. The lock operates the same way a normal lock would operate, as far as the lever retracting the latch and the turn piece locking the piece. However, if you notice, the strike has no lip on it, so this works great on jams where you have an extended jam and you don't want the latch rubbing against the millwork. So when you close the door, I know this works opposite, but when you close the door, the strike, when it gets into place, the magnet in the strike actually pulls the latch out. The lever retracts it. Lever retracts it, but the strike actually pulls out only when the door is in the closed position.